For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Once you're on it, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. And then you're going to run the scan that will come up. It's not showing for me because I did it earlier today, but when the scan comes up, just run it. You can run it in the background as you watch the other methods in this video. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in ws reset and click on enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store apps and then see if this works for you. For the third method, we're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Once you're on it, we're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you might get an option that says Windows Store apps. If you do see it, then click on run. And then you're going to follow all the steps and then see if that works for you. For the next method, head over to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to find the app that you're having trouble with. So for example, if I'm having trouble with this one, I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on modify. And then click on yes. And then it might give you an option to repair it. On this app, for example, it's different. So if I click on the three dots and I click on advanced options, it will take me to this page. I'm going to scroll down and then you can repair it or you can reset it. Try them both, see if that works for you. Or you could also uninstall it and then reinstall it again. Now for the last method, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD again. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. The scan that I showed you at the start of the video should have been done by now. So now we're going to be doing 3 more scans. You just want to copy and paste it. I'll leave it in the description below. So I'm going to do the first one. I'm going to paste this. And then you're going to run this scan. And then you're going to run all the other scans as well. Once you do this, restart your computer. Make sure you click on restart. Don't shut down. Click on restart. Then the problem should be fixed.